I gave a promise I'm going to do a special teaching concerning palm wine. You could remember that I posted 2 types of palm wine, Ungwa, and that is Raffia palm and the palm tree. This one is palm wine. This is not Ungwa. Now, before I continue with this lecture, I need to sound a note of warning. 1. The reason why I don't prescribe palm wine as a nutritional treatment to so many of my patients are 1. The possibility of getting the original one. If you cannot have access to original palm wine, don't take it. That's number 1. Number 2, abuse of palm wine can be dangerous. Don't abuse it. That is, don't go drinking it as if you're drinking yourself to stupor. Take it moderately if you can have access to original palm wine. Another thing that is very important, anytime you want to get the benefit of palm wine, you must buy it very early in the morning and take it early in the morning. Once it ferments, it becomes a toxin to your body, no longer medication. I hope these 3 cautions are taken note of. Then, let's go to the benefit and health benefits of palm wine. I also want to say that I don't want to get involved with the religious implication or faith implication, what you believe about palm wine, whether it's alcohol, whether it's good for consumption, whether it affects your faith. That's not a discussion for today, but we are looking at the health benefits alone. Now, palm wine is a great source of vitamin C, is a great source of vitamin A, is a great source of vitamin B. It is also rich in vitamin E. Palm wine is also rich in potassium, magnesium, and calcium. And with all this mentioned, you can see where we're going if you are a medical personnel. It also improves heart function and reduces hypertension due to its richness in potassium. So, for people who are hypertensive, you have only 2 drinks or wines you can take. They are palm wine, original palm wine, or soured red wine. You can also take sweet red wine if you are not diabetic. Palm wine helps increase breast milk production for mothers who are breastfeeding. If you are a breastfeeding mother and your breast is not producing enough milk, drink palm wine and it will produce in abundance. Women who want long hair should drink palm wine instead of all these sugary minerals and they are taking. The reason is because iron and vitamin B complex found in palm wine is good for healthy hair. Not only hair, for skin and for your nails. So if you want long hair, please stop patronizing all these hair growers that damages your hair at wrong run. Take your palm wine moderately. Underline the word moderately. Palm wine, if subjected to natural fermentation, underline the word natural fermentation, can be used to treat typhoid fever. But underline the word naturally fermented. If you don't know how to go about it, don't do it. Palm wine contains yeast. It contains vitamin C and vitamin B1 known as thiamine. Those things I just mentioned now, they are very good for the eye. So if you're having eye problem, early morning palm wine is one of your medication and remedy. Because it is very rich in yeast. Palm wine is used for treatment of malaria, diarrhea, and dysentery. Palm wine is an anti-diabetic agent that lowers your cholesterol. What it simply means that diabetic patients can actually take palm wine moderately. Please, very important. Listen very well. Meanwhile, excessive intake of palm wine can cause liver damage. The reason is because it contains lipid metabolism. Don't for any reason abuse palm wine. The side effect is your liver will be at a very big risk. Another side effect is that palm wine decreases blood clotting factor, leading to uncontrollable bleeding. If you abuse palm wine and you happen to have any wound, you will bleed uncontrollably because it affects the blood clotting. So take palm wine moderately. Please, pregnant women should be discouraged and should not be permitted to drink palm wine because of its alcoholic content that is very harmful to the unborn child, that is the fetus. So if you are pregnant, don't for any reason, for the healthiness and safety of the unborn child, don't take palm wine. But if you are breastfeeding, you can drink it. Share this video with somebody who may need it.